Welcome back, guys. Today, in our video, we are going to discuss the quick credit loan lending platforms. These lending platforms can give quick loan amounts to borrowers who don't have any credit scores or have bad credit scores. With this quick credit loan, you can easily get out of your financial crises. To get to the official websites of these lending platforms, check out the descriptions. So, let's get started with our video today. Top 5 quick credit loan lenders. Going through all the available lending platforms of quick credit loans will be a bit of a hassle, and you also need to figure out which lending platform is genuine and which is fake. To reduce your workload and find out the best quick credit loan lenders, we picked 5 of the best quick credit loan lenders, and they are as follows. Jungle Finance. Jungle Finance offers quick funding with no credit check, making it a great choice for those with poor credit. The Jungle Finance approval process is fast, ensuring that you have the funds easily deposited into your account immediately. They provide flexible repayment terms that can extend up to 24 months, giving borrowers plenty of time to repay the loan that they have received. Additionally, Jungle Finance offers competitive interest rates, and they have fast customer support available 24/7 to assist you with whatever you need. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans stand out for their simple and quick online application process. They do not perform any type of hard credit checks, making it easier for those with low credit scores to get approved. Typically, funds are available within 24 hours, and they have high approval rates. They also offer a convenient mobile app for managing your loan. However, to be eligible for a loan at Viva Payday Loan, you need to be a US citizen or permanent resident, having at least a minimum monthly income of $1,000. The application process is quick and easy, with just a few simple steps. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans makes the borrowing process simple with no credit check required. They approve applications within an hour and disburse funds quickly. They are known for their transparent terms and lack of hidden fees. Big Buck Loans is accessible to a broader audience. You can apply anytime at Big Buck Loans. They have a 24/7 application availability. To get the loan from Big Buck Loans, you need to meet the eligibility criteria, which are to be above the age of 18 years, have a stable income source, and have a US bank account. Green Dollar Loans. Next on the list, we have the Green Dollar Loans. It provides loans up to $1,000 without any credit check, ensuring that borrowers get the funds the same day. They offer competitive interest rates at the lending platform, making it available for most of the borrowers. Also, the application process is simple, allowing quick access to funds without any delays. The application process is quite straightforward and easy to follow through. Just complete a few easy steps, and you will be connected with potential lenders in no time. Credit Clock Loans. Last but not least on our list are Credit Clock Loans. Credit Clock Loans provide a smooth borrowing experience with instant approval and funds disbursal within 24 hours of the application process. They don't conduct any type of credit checks before approving your loan amount, making it accessible to borrowers with poor credit histories. Their loan terms are clear and transparent, with no hidden fees, and they also offer flexible repayment options to suit different financial situations. To qualify for a loan at Credit Clock Loans, you need to be above the age of 18 years and have a steady income source with a valid ID and contact information. How to apply for a quick credit loan. The application process to have a quick credit loan is simple and easy. You just need to follow a few simple steps and some important steps to easily and securely get your required loan amounts from potential lenders on the lending platforms. First and foremost, you need to figure out what type of loan amount you need and assess what kind of interest rates you can afford. Next, you need to gather all types of documentation, such as income proof documents, US citizenship documents, etc. After gathering all the documents, now comes the most important step, which is to choose the right lending platform for your loan needs and requirements. You need to select such a type of lending platform that aligns with your financial goals and requirements. Once you have selected your desired lending platform, visit their website, select the lending amount, and fill out the application form. Once you complete the application form, you will be connected with a potential lender from the large network of lenders the lending platform has. That's it. Now you and the lender will discuss the loan amounts, interest rates, tenure, etc., and sign off the agreement. Once the loan amounts are signed, you will receive your loan amounts within 24 hours of the loan process. Conclusion. To wrap up the video, if you are in need of urgent money but have low credit, then the lending platforms can come to save you. However, it is extremely important to select the right lending platform that caters to your needs and requirements. For an easy selection process, go through our list of top 5 quick credit loan lenders. To get to the official website of this platform, check the descriptions. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.